Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakar Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Friends, today we will study two drugs belonging to category of resin. First one is Mir and another one is a colophony. Both the drugs are the unorganized drug. Both are resins which are obtained from the plant source. So first of all, we will study regarding Mir. Mir, it is an oleogum resin which is popular in pharmaceutical industries, and also it is used for the therapeutic purpose. So synonym for the Mir is gum mir, bole or myra. Biological source: Mir is an oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora myra belonging to family Burseraceae. So synonym is gum mir, bole or myra. Biological source: Mir is an oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora myra belonging to family Burseraceae. Geographical source: it is found in northeast Africa and South Arabia. Morphological characteristic: color externally reddish brown, internally it is brown in color. Color is as shown in the picture. The externally the color is reddish brown, whereas internally it is brown in color. Odor and taste: aromatic and agreeable. Due to the presence of volatile oil, the odor is aromatic and agreeable. Size about 1.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter. The agglomerates or the clumps which are present, they are 1.5 to 3.0 centimeter in diameter. Shape: it is found in the form of rounded or irregular tears. It is present in the form of the irregular and rounded forms of the tears. Extra features: the fractured surface of the drug is somewhat granular. When we break the tears, the fracture surface is somewhat granular. It is brittle and shows translucent surface, and it is brittle in nature. The surface is a translucent one. Whitish spots on broken pieces are also seen. On the broken pieces, when we observe the broken pieces after the fracture, the whitish spots are seen on these broken pieces. Then the chemical constituents which are present in case of the Mir contains about 10% of yellowish thick volatile oil. The Mir contains the oleogum resin, of which the amount of the volatile oil it is 10%, 60% of the gum is present, and 25 to 40% of the resin is present. Along with this, it also contains the bitter principle about 3 to 4%. So it contains the 10% of volatile oil, 60% of the gum, and 25 to 40% of the resin, along with the bitter principle about 3 to 4%. Resin contains ether soluble resin acids, alpha, beta, and gamma commiphoric acid. So resin contains ether soluble resin acid, alpha, beta, and gamma commiphoric acid. The volatile oil, the chief constituents which are present in the volatile oil, they are the terpenes, fuminic aldehyde, and eugenol. The chief constituents of the volatile oil, they are the terpenes, fuminic aldehyde, and the eugenol. So it contains the resin, they are the ether soluble resin acid, alpha, beta, and gamma commiphoric acid, and volatile oil contain terpenes, fumic aldehyde, and eugenol. Identification of Mir: 0.1 gram of the resin is taken. To it added 0.5 gram of the sand and triturated with the solvent ether. Then filter. The filtrate which is obtained, it is allowed to evaporate. A thin film is formed. When this film is treated with bromine vapors, violet color will develop, indicate the presence of myrrh. Next is when saturated with water, it forms the yellowish brown emulsion. That is, it is insoluble in water, but when it is saturated with water, it forms the yellowish brown emulsion. So, by these two tests, the myrrh can be identified. Then the uses of the myrrh, it is used as an stimulant and antiseptic. It is used as an stimulant and antiseptic. It is also used as an protective because of the presence of the gums and the resins. Myrrh is astringent to the mucous membrane and hence its tincture is used in mouthwashes and gargles. So it is astringent. Myrrh is astringent. It causes the constriction of the smooth muscles or constriction of the mucous membrane and hence its tincture is prepared and used in mouthwashes and gargles. So the myrrh synonym is gum myrrh, bole or myra. Biological source, myrrh is an oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora myra belonging to family Burseraceae. Chemical constants which are present in case of the myrrh, it contains the oleogum resin having a volatile oil 10%, gum 60% and resin 25 to 40%. The resins which are present in case of the myrrh, they are the resin acid, alpha, beta and gamma commiphoric acid. Volatile oil contain terpenes, cuminic aldehyde and eugenol. Used as a stimulant and antiseptic, it is also used as a protective, and the tincture prepared from the myrrh, it is used in mouthwashes and gargles. So this is all about the next drug is colophony. Colophony, again a unorganized drug, and this colophony is obtained as an byproduct after the extraction of the turpentine from the gum which is obtained from the pine tree. So the colophony, one of the important resin obtained from the plant source and used in the pharmaceutical industries in therapeutic purpose. The colophony is used widely. The synonym for the colophony is rosin. It is also called as the rosina. It is also called as the colophonium resin, umber resin, gum rosin and pine resin. As it is obtained from the pine plant, it is also called as the pine resin. Biological source, colophony is a residue left after the distillation of the oil of turpentine from the crude oleoresin obtained from the various species of pinus belonging to family Pinaceae. So colophony, it is a residue left after the distillation of oil of turpentine. When the oil of turpentine is separated, the residue which is remaining, it is and colophony. So of turpentine from the crude oleoresin obtained from the various species of pinus belonging to family Pinaceae. Geographical source, it is prepared in North America, Northern Europe and Pakistan, and also in India it is prepared. So synonym is rosin, rosina, colophonium resin, umber resin, gum rosin and pine resin. Biological source, colophony is a residue left after the distillation of the oil of turpentine from the crude oleoresin obtained from the various species of pinus belonging to family Pinaceae. Morphological characteristic, color is pale yellow to yellowish brown or umber color. As shown in the picture, you can see that the color is pale yellow to yellowish brown or umber color. Odor is faint test, it occurs in the form of angular translucent masses of various sizes. So it occurs in the form of the angular translucent masses of various sizes. Extra features: colophony is brittle and readily fusible with glossy appearance. Colophony, it is a brittle in nature, it breaks easily and it is readily fusible when it is heated, and the appearance of the colophony, it is a shiny one, it is a glossy one. Solubility, it is insoluble in water as usual for all the resins, but soluble in alcohol, carbon disulfide, chloroform, ether, many fixed and volatile oils, gasosyl acetic acid, and in light petroleum it is soluble, whereas it is insoluble in water. Chemical constituents: colophony contains mainly resin acids 90%, and this is abatic acid. So colophony contain the resin acids, and the 90% of this resin acid is abatic acid. The drug also contain the esters of oleic acid and resin acid. It also contains 0.5% of volatile oil, 5 to 6% of the resins. Spanic acid and palmaric acid are the other chemical constituents which are present in case of the colophony. So the colophony contains mainly the resin acid, 90% of this is abatic acid. The drug also contains esters of oleic acid and resin acid. It also contains 0.5% of volatile oil, 5 to 6% resins. Spanic acid and palmaric acids are the other chemical constituents present in case of the colophony. Identification: 1 gram of the colophony dissolve in 10 ml of acetic anhydride by gentle heat and add a drop of sulfuric acid. Bright red color changing to violet is produced. That is, you have to take 1 gram of the colophony, dissolve it in 10 ml of acetic anhydride by gentle heat and add a drop of sulfuric acid to this solution. A red color changing to violet is produced. Next test is alcoholic solution of colophony is acidic to litmus. So alcoholic solution is acidic in nature. Dissolve colophony in light petroleum ether and double the volume with dilute solution of copper acetate. That is, first of all you have to dissolve the colophony in light petroleum ether and double the volume with dilute solution of copper acetate. Petroleum layer turns emerald green color. The petroleum layer takes the emerald green color due to the copper salt of abatic acid. So you can use these 3 tests for the identification of colophony. Then uses of colophony. Colophony is stimulant and diuretic. It can be used as a stimulant, it causes the stimulation, and also it is used as a diuretic. It is ingredient of certain plaster masses and collodions. It is an ingredient of the plaster masses and collodions. It is also used in the preparation of the ointments. Rapine esters are used as a protective coating like polymers. Rapine esters, they are used as a protective coating like polymers. Commercial application: industrially for the preparation of varnishes, insulating compounds, soaps, printing inks, paper sizing, floorings, and soldering compounds. This colophony is used. So the synonym for the colophony, it is a rosin, rosina, colophonium resin, amber resin, gum resin, and pine resin. Biological source: it is the residue left after the distillation of the oil of turpentine from the crude oleoresin obtained from the various species of pinus belonging to family Pinaceae. Chemical constituent: it contains resin acid, of which the 90% is abatic acid, contain 5% of the volatile oil, 5 to 6% of the resin, saponic acid, and palmaric acid. Uses: it is used as an stimulant, as an diuretic. It is an ingredient of certain plaster masses and collodions in the preparation of ointments. Rapin esters are used as an protective coating like polymers. Commercially, it is used for the preparation of varnishes, insulating compounds, soap, printing inks, paper sizing, flooring, and soldering compounds. So, this is all about the mir and colophony. Thank you very much.